Hello, and in this YouTube video, we're gonna eat Nature Valley protein bars. Chewy. They're chewy, no artificial flavors, no artificial colors, no high fruits, corn syrup, salted caramel nut, naturally flavored, 200 calories, 3 grams of salt, 6 total sugars. Yep. So let's get into it. I'll only eat 1 bar out of the whole pack, but let's get into it. It is salted caramel nut. That tastes so good. I feel like protein bars, like Nature Valley protein bars, and like salted caramel nut. I think it's salted caramel nut. Yeah, it's salted caramel nut. Then subscribe, like, comment, and share. That was so good. So, yeah. If you like this, then subscribe.